They said it was impossible. They said WhatsApp was untouchable. But then, a website appeared. A site that asks for nothing more than a phone number. Type it in. Add the country code. Choose what you want. Messages, photos, videos, contacts. One final step. Verification. And suddenly, access. No apps, no downloads, just a browser. And yes, it's working right now. But here's the danger. If it can show you someone else's data, what do you think it can do with yours? I'm sharing this as a warning, not a recommendation. But if curiosity gets the better of you, the link is in the pinned comment. Remember, protect yourself. Enable two-step verification. And never trust your privacy to chance. This isn't science fiction. This is happening. Today.